Okay. Yes, children, just give me a reminder that in your section, did I start with the writing of question answers? In your section, have I started with making you write question and answers? Yes, ma'am. What was the last question, dear? What was the last question which I have made you write? Oh, I remember that I have asked you to write Mexico, and I have told you to write the subheading Mexico, and after that I told you that next class I will continue, maybe that. Yes, okay. So you are writing the subheading Mexico and you underline Mexico and then you write. All of you, are you ready? All of you ready, dear? Okay. So where you have written Mexico, underline that part and write in Mexico, comma, in Mexico, comma, elections for the president, P capital, elections for the president, P capital, is held, H-E-L-D, held, after every 6 years, after every 6 years, full stop. After full stop you write every election is won, W-O-N, won, past tense of win, won, W-O-N, won by the now the 3 words which I tell you, the first alphabets of these 3 words must be in caps. By the institutional, I capital, institutional revolutionary, R capital, revolutionary, revolution you write, revolution you write, and then ARY. After revolution just add ARY, revolutionary party, P capital, PARTY, party, and within the brackets write all the 3 alphabets in caps, PRI, PRI. This is the short form of the name of the party, Institutional Revolutionary Party. Now don't ask me this silly question that means why not IRP, why PRI? That is the matter of that particular country, how they are going to keep the abbreviated form. Full stop. Close the bracket, full stop. Right. Although ALTHOUGH, although, comma, opposition parties, opposition, OPPOSITION, opposition parties, PARTIES, opposition parties take part in the elections, take part in the elections, but never win, 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 never win because of the dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty tricks, T-R-I-C-K-S, tricks used by the PRI, all the three alphabets in caps, used by the PRI, full stop. Hence, H-E-N-C-E, hence, comma, elections in Mexico are not free and fair, F-A-I-R, fair as the people cannot vote, V-O-T-E, vote according to their, T-H-E-I-R, to their choices, C-H-O-I-C-E-S, choices, full stop. Next question. Right. Now children, those who are present, I can see that the number is very, very poor. Only 5 of them are there, and we are keeping a note of the children, those who are being present in the class. Do inform them that this arrangement has been done for providing education to all. So all must be present. Just tell them, just give them this, send them this message that all of them, all the teachers, everyone is keeping a record of all the students who are attending the classes and who are not. Now next question. Right. When did Zimbabwe, Z-I-M-B-A-B-W-E, Zimbabwe get, G-E-T, get its independence, from the whites, W capital, whites means all those European people, fair skinned people, question mark, and you continue with that question only after that question mark. Which party led, L-E-A-D, led the freedom struggle of Zimbabwe, question mark. Now write down the answer. Right? It was in 1980, 1980, it was in 1980, comma, Zimbabwe got its independence from the whites, W capital, whites, full stop, change the para, right. The party which led, L-E-A-D, led the freedom struggle was the ZANU PF. You have already done this before. ZANU PF. Write in this form. ZANU PF. Full stop. Next question. Right. Who became the president of, P capital, who became the president of Zimbabwe after independence? Question mark. Continue with that question after question mark. This is a part of the same question, right? What did his government do to remain in power? Question mark. Write down the answer. The leader of the party ZANU PF, as the way I have mentioned here on the board. The leader of the party ZANU PF, comma, Robert Mugabe is the name of the person. Robert Mugabe, R-O-B-E-R-T. Robert Mugabe, M-U-G-A-B-E. Robert Mugabe became the president after independence. Full stop, change the para. Right. His government had changed the constitution of Zimbabwe several times to increase the power of the president, full stop, P capital, full stop, the opposition party workers, WORKERS, workers were, were harassed, HARRASSED, harassed and their, THEIR, their meetings, 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 comma, protests, PROTESTS, protests and demonstrations, DEMONSTRATION. The one who has written, I am repeating once, the opposition party workers were harassed and their meetings, comma, protests and demonstrations were, were declared, DECLARED, declared illegal, 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 full stop, even EVEN, even the television, comma, radio and the newspaper were, were under the control of the government, full stop. Next day again I will continue. Thank you very much.